Hey guys, in your Windows 11 PC or laptop, if you can't able to see the Wi-Fi network or Wi-Fi connection, means in this video let me share you how to fix the Wi-Fi connection. So just right click your start menu and go to the settings. Click on network and internet. Click on advanced network settings. Now here is a Wi-Fi network adapter. So if it is disabled statements, click on the enable option. So this is the first thing you have to check out. So once you enable, now you can just check it out. Now you can able to see the Wi-Fi symbol. But still if you are facing the Wi-Fi connection not working means, now just right click and click on task manager. Now here click on services. Now just select any of the services. Now just type WL. Now here you can see WLAN SVC VLAN auto config. Just right click and click on open services. Now in this service page, again click on any service and type WL. Now here double click WLAN auto config. Now here you need to choose startup type as a automatic. If it is automatic delayed start or manual or disabled means select the automatic and click on apply and click on OK. And if the service is still not running also, so just right click and make sure to start that service. So by doing these steps, you can able to see the Wi-Fi connection. You can enable or disable the Wi-Fi connection. And finally, in the same advanced network settings, and here is the more adapter option, click on the edit. Now here click on configure option. Now here is the power management. Click on this. If you are using a laptop means make sure to disable this option. Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. Uncheck this and click on OK. So if you frequently not able to see the Wi-Fi connection in your PC laptop means, then these methods will surely helpful for you. And also under this Wi-Fi adapter settings, click on view additional properties. Make sure the IP assignment is set as a automatic, and the DNS servers assignment is also set as a automatic. Finally, if you still can't able to solve the problem means, and finally here is the network reset option. Just to click on this. Here is the option reset now. Just to click on the reset now, and after that your PC will be restarted. Then your problem will be sorted out. Because by doing this will actually remove then reinstall all your network adapters and set other networking components back to their original settings. So mostly if you are not using any VPN client software means, then you can directly proceed with the reset now option. Well, that's it about this video guys. In this way you can easily fix your Wi-Fi connection on your PC or laptop.